Today, we are unboxing and installing the Kidsmate Jumbo Baby Swing. In this video, we'll show you the complete process from unboxing to installation and product features. So, let's get started. Carefully open the box and remove all packaging materials. Inside the box, you'll find the Kidsmate Jumbo Baby Swing along with the user guide. Now, let's take a closer look at the swing. The Kidsmate Jumbo Baby Swing comes fully assembled and ready to use. No complicated assembly is required. Now, let's look at the hanging ropes and mounting hooks. The swing comes with strong dual support ropes and heavy-duty metal hooks for secure installation. To begin installation, attach both hooks securely to a ceiling hook, swing stand, or support frame. Ensure both sides are properly balanced. Before use, always perform a safety check. Make sure all hooks and ropes are securely fixed. The Kidsmate Jumbo Baby Swing is now ready for use. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features. The jumbo-sized design provides extra space and comfort for growing babies and toddlers. The spacious seating area allows children to enjoy longer and more comfortable swinging sessions. The built-in safety belt helps keep your child securely seated during use. The strong front T-bar offers extra support and prevents forward slipping while swinging. The heavy-duty dual rope system delivers excellent strength, stability, and durability. Designed for everyday use both indoors and outdoors. The premium quality plastic body is strong, durable, and made using child-safe, non-toxic materials. Built to withstand daily play and long-term use. The ergonomic seat design provides excellent back support and sitting comfort. Perfect for babies and toddlers aged 6 months to 4 years. The lightweight design makes the swing easy to carry, install, and relocate whenever needed. Suitable for balconies, gardens, terraces, play areas, and living rooms. The attractive panda-themed graphics and colorful finish create a fun and engaging experience children love. Now, let's see the Kidsmate Jumbo Baby Swing in action. As you can see, the sturdy construction, secure support system, and comfortable seating provide a safe and enjoyable swinging experience. The Kidsmate Jumbo Baby Swing is the perfect combination of safety, comfort, durability, and fun for growing children. Thank you for watching. For more Kidsmate product launches, installation guides, detailed features, and latest updates, stay connected with Kidsmate. See you in the next video.